Hello friends, welcome to Prof Trimp Academy. Today we are going to solve some maths problems of grade 7. This is 2.1 exercise. Chapter 2 is about fractions. Then how we can solve this type of questions. In this type of questions, we first have to take the LCM. This can be written as 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. Now the LCM of 1 and 5 is of course 5 automatically. Then we have to do the calculations, the minus calculations. But before that, at 1 we know that for getting 5 we have to multiply 1 by 5, and similarly we have to multiply 2 by 5 also, because if we have to multiply the denominator and the numerator with the same number. So here it can be 10 by 5. Now this is minus sign in between. Now we have 5 here, so here we can write 3. We don't have to write anything, we don't have to multiply with anything, because 1 into 5 into 1 is equals to 5. So we don't have to multiply it. Now we can solve it easily like this. The second question, how can we solve it? First look at the second questions of the exercise, which is 4 plus 7 by 8, right? The 4 plus 7 by 8 can be solved like we can write it as 4 upon 1 plus 7 upon 8, and then we have to take the LCM of 1 and 8, which is 8, and now we have to divide 4 by 1 into 8 by 8. So here it is 32 plus 7. Now the answer is 39 upon 8. It is very easy questions. Third question. Now come to the third question. Third question is 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. Now we have to take the LCM of 5 and 7, which is, as we know, both are prime numbers, so there is no common thing in between. So the LCM will be 35. Now we have to multiply 3 upon 5 into 7 by 7, because 5 into 7 is only 35. So that we can get the correct thing. It is 21, and 2 by 7 we have to multiply it by 5 upon 5 to get the number 35 in the denominator. So here it will come like this. So the answer will be 31 upon 35. Now again the next question is 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. Here we have to take the LCM of 11 and 15, which is 165. You can calculate it by multiplying it, because there is no common factor in 11 and 15. So we have to multiply it, and it will give you 165. Now we have to multiply 9 by 11 into 15 by 15. So 9 into 15 is 135, of course. Minus 4 by 15 we have to multiply it 11 by 11. So it is 44. Now the answer is 91 upon 165. It is very easy questions there are. Next question is 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 by 2. Now we have to take the LCM of all the three numbers, and the LCM here is 10. So here the same way we have to do, whether it is two numbers, whether there are three fractions, the method is same. So here is the answer. We have to then plus it, which is 26 upon 10. Now we can do it in the smallest form. We can write it as 13 upon 5, and that's why we can write it. So this is the correct answer. Again, that's all for today's video. Next we will solve next questions in the next videos. Thank you very much.